Library Assistant with Monterey County Free Libraries. Today, in celebration of Hispanic Latino Heritage Month, we will be making an Amate painting inspired book cover. For this project, you will need one brown paper bag, paints or markers, scissors, and tape. The first thing you want to do is cut along the side of the bag all the way to the bottom. And then you're going to cut all along the bottom. Then you want to take your bag and extend it. The letters facing up. You're going to take your book that you want to cover, place it in the middle, lift at the sides and crease, and you're going to use that crease as a guide to fold your bag. On the other side, you do the same thing. And you take your book and you place it in the middle again. And you take one of the sides, lift, bring it up, and crease again. And then from this crease that you created, you want to measure about 2 inches out and cut. And you want to do the same. You want to fold it up, go all the way around the book, crease it, and then cut about 1.5 to 2 inches. And then you can fold it in to measure it again. So you can create a tight book cover. Then you want to take your book cover, take your book out, open it, and here comes the fun part. You're gonna scrunch it up so you can create the fig bark texture. Okay? You're gonna create it. So here's the middle of the book. So if you want to just work on creating a design on one side of the book, then you can just fold it where the original creases were, and you can work on your design. Amate is an ancient tradition of paper making from Mexico. It's made from the pulp of the fig and mulberry trees. To make amate, the outer tree bark is peeled and the inner bark is boiled and soaked in water overnight, then beaten with a smooth flat stone until it becomes pulp. Here I began by framing my book cover with vines. Amate paintings are known to use anything in nature, flowers, birds, cacti, and very bright colors. To contrast with the bark paper. In today's Mexico, the Otomi people of central Mexico produced this paper in a way similar to its historical origins. Now, artisans paint intricate birds, colorful plants, and whimsical animals on the amate so that it can be used for decoration. I repeated shapes and patterns throughout the design to create symmetry. Then you take your book when you're all done, put it back in your book cover. Then you can tape it down at the edges. I hope you enjoyed this project. I think it lends itself to a lot of creative options and you can be as intricate as you like in your design. Thank you for watching.